Hello everybody, this is David Mazzola with Johnson Ford here in New Richmond. Happy Cyber Monday. A little too cold to be doing a video outside, but I wanted to show you guys this 2021 Ford Escape SE all-wheel drive that we just took in with only 12,200 miles on it. So you get the remaining factory warranty up to October 2024 or 36,000 miles, whichever comes first. Being that it's an SE, it's going to give you the cloth interior, heated steering wheel, heated front seats. You do have the 8-inch LCD touchscreen to Bluetooth your Android or Apple devices. Plenty of room in the back for your rear guests. They do have their own heating source, power point, rear seats do recline. They do have their own cup holders. In the back of these Escapes, plenty of room, good height. Rear seats do fold down. They do come with a spare tire underneath with even more storage. It does have an auto start power lift gate. The driver is going to have a lot of amenities, power driver's seat, again heated, all your controls on the door easily accessible, cruise control, lane keeping, adaptive cruise. Find out more by calling me today at 715-293-3189. Or like I said, check it out online at johnsonmotors.com. It is stock number 919375. Thanks for watching.